Hi.
Howdy. So, everything for Dean's car for his brakes showed up. We have a nice full box of everything. It actually came in like 3 shipments, but guess what? It all consolidated in one nice little tidy box. Huzzah! So all that's here. Now, one other problem. We ordered our drums from Speedway because they are the only ones that had them in stock. This is the box one of them came in, and this was actually in a Speedway box, right? No packing material. Brand new drum. Unacceptable. Now, let's go to the other one. That wasn't even in a box. It was just in a Speedway box.
Yeah, that's how they shipped it.
That was beat to the same, only worse. But, you know, the drum material inside is fine, but that's still unacceptable. That's not going on any of our clients' cars. This can go on someone's POS. I really don't care, but this is unacceptable. This is scrap around here. So, Speedway will be getting a link to this video, actually. It's easier because it actually shows it. So, they also need to overnight it. Fun!